Hello everyone and welcome to today's webinar on the Oracle HR Help Desk. My name is Rishabh Kumar Bhardwaj and I'm excited to give you guide your thought how Oracle HR Help Desk system can streamline and enhance employee experience within the organization. Whether you are a HR professional or a manager or an employer, this platform is designed to make HR support process more efficient, transparent, and user friendly. So here is a quick look at what uh, we will covering in today's session. Introduction to HR help desk and employee role, agent role, manager role, and benefit. And at the end, we will take a Q&A session where you can ask your questions. So let's start with a brief introduction to what Oracle HR help desk is. Help desk is a powerful tool within a Oracle HCM Cloud that help organizations streamline their HR services and delivery. It acts as a centralized platform where employees can submit HR related queries and HR professional can track and resolve these queries effectively. Some are the core functionality of HR help desk we have, like tracking and resolving employees' queries, knowledge management to find answer to common queries, and a automated process. So we have some key objective for HR help desk. Key objective like we have multiple channel support where employee can raise request by various channel, and the purpose of HR help desk is to provide a centralized and a automated process to resolve all the queries on a time. So employee role for like employee can create a request in system and some track the request and manage their own service request. And as an employee you have three uh, features where you can submit a request and edit your request, and at the end when you find the request is resolved you can close that request. Agent role. So now coming to the agent role, the agent role play a very crucial role in it because uh, in resolving employee services requests and ensuring a smooth HR service delivery. An agent is typically working with HR team and help desk department, and it's responsible for managing, processing, and resolving all the various requests that is submitted by a employee. Now we came to a manager role. So the manager roles also play a crucial part in overseeing the operations, ensuring the high quality service delivery and managing the help desk agent and processes. Manager is responsible for ensuring that help desk run effectively and all the agent will get timely response. Now I will proceed for demo. In this demo, I will demonstrate how an employee can submit a request and edit a request. After that, I will demonstrate on agent role how agent can address a request and monitor a request. So let's begin with the demo part. For submitting a request from employee, first I have to log in as an employee. Here I already log in as a employee where Frank is an employee and he want to raise an request. So I will demonstrate how he can raise and request. So first, let's look at now an employee submitting a request. For that, we have to go to help desk tab. Under help desk tab, we have quick action. Under quick action, we have an option for create HR help desk request. While clicking on it, it will land to a page from where we have to raise a request. For that, we have to so we will take a scenario. So as a Frank is facing a problem where he is not be able to get the accurate amount of his sick leave. So now as he want to raise the request, first he have to type the subject as leave issue, and then he have to select the severity level. So severity level refers to the urgency and the impact of a request. We have three options: high, medium, low. So as per now, this is not that much urgent. I am selecting is low. Then we have to select the category. So basically categories are the group and type of issues that combine in a category. For an example, we have benefit, employee, health, HR administration. These are the custom things that we configure according to the business. So as we are on a leave issue, we will select as a sick leave. So this is our my category, and then we have to give some detailed description. So the detailed description is like uh, leave balance is so leave balance is inaccurate. From the attachment section, employee can also attach screenshots, pictures, and documents. So for that, you just have to click on drag and drop, and then from the folder, you just have to select the image. Just for a demo purpose, I'm selecting this image, and then you just have to click on save. So once all the fields are completed, the employee submitted the request, the system will generate an SR number and assign it to a unique identification number. So both employee and agent can track the progress. So as we can see, this is the request that I just raised, and this is my unique request number that came. So now I will go to the home page. So this is the home page, and again I will go to the help desk part. Under help desk tab, if you want to see the request that you raised, so you have to go to under my help. Under my help, you can see as you click on it. So we also have some popular articles. These are the knowledge articles. So as it's a automated process, we already have some articles. If employees is able to find the solution in these articles, then he no need to raise a request. So for an example, right now we have one article which is on what is my current leave balance. So if any employee is facing this issue, so going through this article, they can resolve that issue. One thing. Second thing, under my view my request, this is the session where all the requests that is raised by this employees are recorded. As we can see, there's lot of requests and few are open and few are resolved. So this thing will represent the open that agent is working on these requests and resolve one that are already resolved. So this is the one thing where agent can submit the request, and another, oh sorry, employee can submit the request. And if employee want to edit the request, then how he can do, I will demonstrate you. First he have to select that request that he want to edit. So this is the request page, and we can see all the details, like this is the subject and request number, employee name. And now employee fail the severity, he has to change the severity level. For that, he just have to go to edit option. You have to select the edit one, and then under the summary, you have to select the severity. From low, he put it on medium. And when he click on save, the request will updated and severity level is changed. So now we can see the severity level of this request is changed from low to medium. So this is the second privilege that employees have. Now I will log in as a agent and will demonstrate how agent can address the request and solve the request. Okay, so this is the agent login. Curtis Fetty is our agent. So in Oracle HCM, agent plays a crucial role, as I already told. So agent will address and monitor and provide solution to the employee request. Agent are responsible for ensuring employee queries and issue are resolved timely. For that, for that agent first have to come to help desk. Under help desk tab, one more tab we have to select, that is help desk request. Under this page, agent can see all the requests that is raised by and that are assigned to him. So this page have a lot of information, as we can see: request number, subject, severity, status, last updated, last update date. So all the information are present here. So first, agent have to select the request that he want to resolve, he want to work on it. So this is the detail page that open up. We can see the description here, like leave balance is inaccurate. And on the left hand side we can see the information panel. In the information panel we have the edit button. If we, as a agent start working on the request, you have to edit it and provide the solution. Before diving into, we have lot of things, like we have subject area. Here we can see the subject of this request, request number, primary contact. So if agent want to see any detail about the primary contact or employee, so he just have to click on employee name, and this window will pop up, and this window will contain all the information about the employee. So as we can see, this is our employee ID, employee number, and all the absence balance. So if we click on it, it will take to another page where we can see the balance of absence balance for this employee. Okay, so now I want to start working on this request. Uh, for that I have to go to edit section. Under edit section we have few things, uh, just like severity level, status, category, primary contact, queue. So I will start from the status. So status of a request is a tool for tracking the progress of the issue. For submitting the resolution, each status represents a specific stage in a life cycle of a request. So when we click on it, we have a set of status like new, in progress, wait, and resolve. New status is represent when a request is raised, it is in a new form. As a agent start working on that request, he have to put it on in progress. And when the agent is waiting for the reply from the employee, he have to put it on the waiting stage. And once he provided the solution to the request, he have to put it on resolve phase. This thing will represent like we are working on it and what is the status and what the state of the request. So as of now I start working on it, I will put it on in progress. So one more thing we can see here is a channel type. So as Oracle HCM Pro support multiple channel type. So channel type refer to the various communication method like email, phone, chat, through which employee can reach out to the assistant for the support. So as of now, we uh, updated it from web, so we will keep it web, and we have to save it. As we save, the status will save in progress. So now we can see the status of the request is changes from new to in progress. Now we have to update uh, some content in this. So if a agent want to communicate with the employee, he don't have to go anywhere. He just from this window he can communicate. He just have to select the channel type as a web and subject as he need more details. So here I'm asking for more details related to this issue from the employee. So this is send more details. As I click on it, the message will send it to employee. One more thing, we have the milestones. So milestone in HR help desk serve as a important checkpoints. These are the checkpoints that help manager and to track the progress of the request. So as the first response metric is it represent it given as a time period in that we have to give first response to that request. So this part is done where I demonstrate you how an agent will address a request. Now I will show you how an employee will communicate on it. So for that I have to log in as an employee, and now Frankfurt, our employee, I am logging it. For that I have to go to help desk. Under help desk I have to search for my help. In my help I have to select the request that I am working, that is open. So this is a request. Here I can see, as my agent need more details from my side, I have to put. So in reply I can say change the details. From there I can attach the details. So here's a clip option. We can, this is how we can attach uh, any image and thing to the into the communication, and just we have to hit unsend button. As we hit unsend button, this information will send it to the agent. So now again I have to log in as an agent for demonstrate you how agent will receive this communication. For that I am changing the user. Now I am as a agent, Curtis Vajay as agent. I have to go to under help desk, and help desk I have to select a help desk request. In help desk I have to select that request, and when I select the request I can see the attachment is here. When I click on it I can download that attachment and see that attachment also. So now for an example, agent is satisfied with the attachment, and he provides some solution to the request, and he want to change the status as a result because he provided the solution. For that he just need to came to edit page, summary page. Under summary page you have to select status as a result. While he is selecting status as a result, he also have some reference here, like solution description. Under solution description we can select the outcome of this request. So we have few system delivered things. So as issue is resolved and issue solution is provided. Okay, one more thing we have, that is a critical flag. So critical flag refers to the issue type that are highest in priority and required action due to some severity impact. So now if I click that toggle switch as critical, we can see one red flag there. So as we put it on save, so this request is that we are working on, and we can see now the status is resolved. We already resolved it. So if you want to see the critical part, for critical part it's not coming because it already resolved. But if we put it in waiting, just for example I'm putting it to demonstrate, we can see the critical flag came here. As we can see now this request is a critical for us. So like that we can mark our request a critical, just to differentiate this request is different from another one. We have to take it on priority. For that we are using this critical mark. So now we came at the benefit session, like why should an organization consider implementing Oracle Help Desk? So here are some important points for organization, like improving efficiency. HR team can manage and resolve this issue in a faster way, which may lead to increased employee satisfaction also. As I already demonstrated one more thing about it, it is a centralized system. So centralized communication is there. With all the requests are being funneled through one platform, it is easy to maintain and consider an organized and approach for HR supports. So if you guys have any question, you can ask to me. I have completed my demo session.
Thank you, Rishabh. We have some questions from our panelists, so I'll just read it out to you.
Okay.
First question is, why is it mandatory for an agent to be online, and what are the consequences if an agent is not online? I repeat, why is it mandatory for an agent to be online, and what are the consequences if an agent is not online?
Okay. So basically, we have to put agent online. If we are not putting agent online, then system will not be able to figure out to assign request to him. As uh, it is an automated process. If we put uh, agent online, it will help system to recognize this person is available. We can put automatically a request to him.
Okay. The second question is, Rishabh, what other communication channels are available in Oracle HR Help Desk? I repeat, what other communication channels are available in Oracle HR Help Desk?
Okay. So we have different type of communication channel. For an example, email communication channel is there, where an employee can directly raise a request by sending an email on organization ID. Phone is there. We can integrate phone where and mobile is there, where you can use the Oracle app. From that app, you can directly raise an issue.
Okay. The third question is, when a request is in a waiting state, does the
Mhm.
system include that time in milestone calculations? I repeat, when a request is in a waiting state, does the system include that time in milestone calculations?
So uh, whenever you like whenever request is in waiting state, it will not count in milestone, because you are waiting for response from the employee.
Okay. The other question is it possible to assign multiple agents to the same category? I repeat,
Yes.
is it possible to assign multiple agents to the same category?
Yes, it is possible. We can have multiple agent for the same category. It is important, because for an example, if a agent is offline and another agent is online, so we have two agent to work on one category.
Okay. The next is, how does Oracle plan to incorporate AI or machine learning into HR help desk for better employee support? I repeat, how does Oracle plan to incorporate AI or machine learning into HR help desk for better employee support?
Okay. So with the help of OD, Oracle Digital Assistant is integrated with HR Help Desk to provide a conversational AI capabilities, where employee can interact and chat with the bot, and the bot will provide you a solution, and it can give you status of the request. These thing is feasible with the help of AI.
Okay, Rishabh, I think these all were the questions from our panelists. So if you can move to the next slide. So thank you, Rishabh, and thank you, everyone. So I'll do the quick intro about Kovaion. So as you know, Kovaion is a digital transformation and service partner, and we are into Oracle space for more than 15 plus years and specialized in HR, ERP, CRM, and app development. And we are first in Epic for Oracle HCM Cloud implementation, and Kovaion is trusted by Oracle Fortune 500. If we talk about the experience, currently we are serving in 45 plus countries with 210 plus engagements, and we have five global delivery centers, and we have 250 plus employees, and we are growing. And our key offerings are, we provide end-to-end digital transformation. We have experts in PeopleSoft, Oracle Cloud, and Taleo, AI automation, emerging tech, app development. So if if you have any queries or anything to inquire about, you can contact us at info@kovaion.com. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Rishabh, for taking this webinar, and thank you, everyone, for joining this.
Thank you, everyone.